सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइएगा।
Now let's talk about the user awareness training. Now why the user awareness training is important for employees and users. So it is important because employees are not aware about anything related to cybersecurity, and if they received any kind of malicious or phishing email, they can directly click on it without proper knowledge. So this is one of the biggest reason to just to let them know that on which link they have to click, on which mail they have to reply. Not only these things, but also when they when they go on some website, what are the things they should search, what are the things they should not do. All these things they should know. So the employees is one of the, you can say, the weakest line of attack. So attacker can easily get can take advantage of these things, those employees who are not aware about cybersecurity. So this is the reason, and 99% of attacks happen because of humans victim. So this is what we have some points. Let's discuss one by one. User awareness training educates people about cybersecurity. This is the right one, which we talking about. It teaches individual to recognize and respond to security threats. If anything's related to any security things happen, right? Any phishing email is coming, at least they will be able to know ki, yeah, what they have to do actually. Now, training helps employees become the first line of defense against cyber attacks. As I said, they are very weak, so we need to improve them. We are expecting that they will improve. So that's the reason we are giving the awareness training. Topics may include spotting phishing email, as I was sorry, I was talking about, and creating a strong password, right? A strong password is very mandatory, at least having 8 characters, at least alphanumeric with special characters. Cybersecurity training is essential for all employees, not just IT staff. Regular training sessions keeps everyone updated on the evolving threats. User awareness is a critical part of an organization's overall cybersecurity strategy. Well-informed users can help prevent security breaches and data loss. Now, why this one is important? Because if user is already aware, he can report the phishing email to us. If there is some breaches happening, he can report to us, right? So that will be a very big, you can say, help for us. So training empowers individuals to contribute to a safer digital environment. Ongoing education and awareness are key to effective cyber community and cyber security as well.
सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइएगा।